welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please excuse the noise in the background. But it came in, guys. This is a cute little box, and I can give you guys more details on this wig. So this wig is a 4x4 lace closure. It is human hair, 20 inches long, straight lace front, 150 density, and it is pre-plunk. So we're gonna go ahead inside and look and see what it's looking like. Let's see if it say what it says it's gonna be. So this is the inside of the actual wig, or the box. It do come with eyelashes, and it does come with the wig cap. So let's go ahead and look at this wig and see if it says what it says it's gonna be, because I am ready, y'all. So on here it does say 20 inches right here. So we're gonna look at this lace on the camera together, honey. Alrighty, so this is her, and I got a mind to go and get my measuring tape just to see if it's the inches it said it's gonna be. It is, but we ain't gonna do all this. But we're gonna show you what all we working with right now. Alright, y'all, so this is the actual wig, y'all. She is looking very cute. Look at the texture of the hair. If you guys can see, now the hair is a little bit thin. It does say it comes off at 150 density. It does not feel like it's 150 density. This is the actual lace. It is a 4x4. Remember, it's short. You don't have that much lace to work with. I do have 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the bottom in the back. These are your elastic bands, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them together. I'm going to put this on my head, but before I put this on my head, I'm going to go ahead and put on my stocking cap so you guys can see how it's looking, because we're going to alter this wig together. Girl, look, I know how to do a little tweaking and stuff. Now I am not going to do any like bleaching or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer or some actual makeup or whatever in that part. I'm not going to do too much because I feel like this wig doesn't need all of that. So if I had a full 13x9 or 13x4 kind of wig and it's worth it, I would definitely do that. I'm going to put on TV, and I like you to be with me. Could laugh about nothing at all. I'm set up a TV, and I like you to be with me. Could laugh about I came up with. It was a struggle. I did not show you guys on camera, but this was a struggle. What I did was I went ahead and pulled out a little bit of the actual hair, and I actually started tweezing and plucking some. This may seem a little thin on this side and a little thick on this side, so I may have to pluck some more hair. But then to be on the front side, y'all, I ended up having to re-part the hair because I ended up pushing it all back for some odd reason. I don't know why I did that, but I'm going to go ahead and probably make it a little bit more thinner on this side, because let's be realistic, I don't need that much hair out for my baby hairs. So I am going to be doing baby hairs, of course, for this style. And now we starting to get somewhere. It's looking a little thin on both sides. So what I did was I part my hair down the middle, and then I also used these two together to give me that kind of that crisp look. It's not as crisp as I want it to look, but we're gonna get it there. And you guys probably still see a little bit of knot. It's not as natural as looking, but once I get done doing what I gotta do, then it will end up looking a little bit more natural for y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I still want to work on making my part look a little bit more natural, so that's what I'm working on right now. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I end up flapping my hair to the back so it can kind of be out of my way, so I can kind of focus on the front of my hair. As you guys can see, it seems like everything is coming along very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish trying to get my actual part looking a little crisp a little bit, because it's not as crisp as I want it to be. And of course, this is my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna probably go ahead and see, this is, I'm trying to make my my hairstyles as easy as possible, because I am a beginner. I am not a pro. I'm not an actual beautician. I'm just learning as I go, and you learn from the best. You learn from YouTube. Why not? You learn from YouTube. So YouTube has been teaching me a lot, y'all. So as I'm going through this process, I am taking my time. So let me go ahead and finish this process with tweezing, and then also getting my part right and crisp, and I'll come back and show you guys. Honestly, this is going to be the best that I can do with the actual center part. I'm not going to stress about it. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. We're going to go ahead and apply this on the actual, this area right here. We're going to apply it here all the way across, and you guys know that I always like to spray my spray or glue or whatever it is on the actual lace first, and then lay it down for a few minutes and let it dry, and then we go ahead and cut the lace, and we're about to go ahead and get right into this.
I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up the truth is, I just wanna
y'all, so this is the actual end of the actual wig. This wig is definitely something that you can actually like work with. It's very easy, it's very manageable, it's very comfortable as far as like with the actual density of the hair. Now I'm gonna take off my actual band so you guys can actually see what I did to the front of my hair, the line and everything, so please bear with me, okay? So this is how the actual front of my hair look. I'm not good with baby hairs. Okay, so what's going on here? What's going on? Then we just have a discussion of how my hair's supposed to look on camera, and now it's messing up on me. Okay. Alright, y'all, so this is the actual end of my hair. This is how the hair is actually looking with the baby hairs. I did not want to do too much baby hairs, but I kind of give it a little bit of baby hairs. So this is the actual end products. Like I mentioned before, I'm not going to put any curls in it. I'm not going to actually put any crinkles in it. I'm just going to leave it as is. I did put heat on it, so it does take a good amount of heat, and I'm proud of that. It shed a little bit, not a lot. I did not bleach any knots. So I just went in with my actual concealer, and yeah, I just went in with my concealer to get my part looking a little crisp or whatever. So I'm gonna leave this on my hair for maybe a couple of days. I really like it. And this is a 4x4 frontal, and it's very easy to install. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this actual ending of the actual hair, because I really like the hair. The hair is very cute. I'm trying to see if I can show you guys. Once your girl put some makeup on, get all cute and stuff, prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me.
Prepare right now to be sick of me. Prepare to be be sick of me.
Right. Prepare to be sick of me. This concludes my video. See you guys in the next one.